Guys, we should try to learn from every situation. Every worst situation has something to teach. We should learn from them. We should learn from the failures. Failures are very important. It's not like you should just lie down in the bed whole day thinking about why I failed. No. Get up and do something about it. Try to do half an inch, 1 inch, 10 inch, 1 kilometer extra. Try to push yourself extra every day, every week, every single day of the year. Grinding process never stops. Keep pushing yourself, keep trying yourself. You are a unique person. God has given you unique abilities. Try to utilize, don't waste your talent. Most of the people, they are not able to achieve their dreams, achieve their goals, just because they believe they are not talented. They don't have confidence in them, they don't have that passion, they don't have that obsession to do things. First of all, have some faith in yourself, have some self confidence, and be disciplined. You can achieve anything and everything you want. All you have to do is push yourself every single day and keep trying, keep learning. Learning never stops, grinding never stops. Be hungry about your goals, and not only just hungry, you should starve every day, every hour about your goals. Oh, I have to do this, I have to do this, and not just procrastinate and think about it. Get up and do something about it. You have all the resources in the world you need. You have got the brain, you have got the money, you have got everything you need. You are still alive. Start with the very first step. Most of the people, they are not just able to start. They just think, they just keep procrastinating, keep thinking. You have to take the first step. First step taken is 50% of the job done, because you have started, you know what you are doing. And everything in this world, all the resources in this world will come and help you out. Even the people you never imagined help from, they will also come and support you when they know about you, what you are doing. So the most important thing is to have some self belief, have some discipline, because without discipline you are not going anywhere. The most important thing, the most important is always have a healthy diet, because your body is like a machine. What you are taking in is how you are thinking, how your body functions. It makes you lazy or it makes you active depending upon what you are having inside. So, with all the motivation aside, you should always have a healthy diet as well. Take care of your body, and the body will take care of yourself.